drop of rain on my father's window pane, and I can see the pain on my face and the puddle that's made from the rain. The sidewalk where it sits, I walk down it every day. Not to walk to work to pay my rent, don't know, ain't got no bills to pay. What you see is what you get, that's what I always used to say. There's some things I can't forget, oh no, and I had no plans to ever change. There's some things I can't forget. Splashed a puddle, now they're gone. And I can't get out of my own face, and I can't get out of this home place. Tried 1,000 times to leave, wound the place is just the same. I get so damn worried about who's winning, I don't see I'm alone and playing this game.
Snow is falling from the sky, it's trapped us in this empty house. I try to find my way out, oh, the harder I try, further I fall down. It's got me begging on my knees, Lord have some mercy on me. My nose is running with regret, and all for us to the head. Oh, I never really liked the snow. Well, I prefer a drowning rain, the kind that lights up a fire and you do, you see, nothing but smoke for days.
You didn't even introduce the verse.
My bad. I was too excited to sing it.
Doctor, please sign me out. It's time for me to see what the world's about. I've learned all that I can learn. It's time for me to go and shut my mouth. He jumped the gun a little bit on that verse, but it's a darn good verse. I'll give it to him.